Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, I'm Chelsea. Now I'm going to explain to you guys how to learn Arabic on ArabiGo. You must sign in first, and after you've done that, you'll see this My Class tab on the left side. Here there are 3 categories. On progress for class being taken and the final project has not been assessed by the teacher. Completed for classes that being completed and the final project has been assessed by the teacher. And expired, class exceeded the specified time limit or didn't submit the final project. Here you can click Take a Class Now buttons and the options on the classes will appear. There are 3 class levels here: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. It's all up to you. You're able to choose according to your ability and your interest. But I recommend you to take the class from the beginner level. And if you click on this View Class buttons, you'll see the class info for detailed information of the class, syllabus for information about the class materials, and review to see reviews from all the students that have taken the class. And if you think it fits you, you just have to click Join Class buttons to assign the class. Click Study Now to study the material, and the material will appear. Please read and learn all of those. Besides that, you also can see the status of the material that you've done on the right side. After you learn and understand the material, you can continue to take the quiz to be able to move on to the next chapter. If you're not passing the quiz score, you have to retake it until you nail the passing grade above 80. After you finish all the chapters, you have to do the final project. You have to answer all the questions, and if you finished, don't forget to submit your files. You have to wait until your teacher graded your final project. If you want to check your grade, go to My Class tab and click the Classroom menu, and there are details of the classes, quiz history, and final project history. Final project history to find out about the status of the project. To see the grade, click on the Approved status, then select the Results tab. You will also be able to see notes from your teacher regarding your final project. To get a certificate, make sure the status of your final project is approved. Then click Finish Class. If you don't, you can resubmit your final project for up to 2 months. After you click the Finish Class button, you will navigate back to My Class tab. To see and check your learning outcome and certificate, click the Completed button and then click Classroom. There will be the details of the classes taken, such as progress, reopen material to reopen the materials that you've learned, give feedback to give a rating range from 1 to 5, and provide a review of the classes taken with a maximum of 500 characters. Click See Certificate to see the certificate that you've got from the class. Here you can also see detailed information about the certificate, such as the awarded date and expiration date, and also can share it to your social media. Okay, we're going back to the main window. You can also see the Dashboard tab here. There are some graphs for the details of your study. You could know your time spent on the website, your total certificate, your reward score, and the total course that you've taken. There is also a certificate tab to view detailed information about the certificates you have obtained. This Events tab to see updates regarding existing events, and the Settings tab to update your profile. Okay, that's all from me. Don't forget to learn Arabic on ArabiGo. And good luck on your study. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.